Critics are like horseflies, said Anton Chekhov. The same could be said for hecklers. In this video, I'm going to show you a number of hilarious ways to swat those nasty heckling flies. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Kieran Dempsey and welcome to my comedy clinic. In this episode, I will be helping you deal with those pesky hecklers who interrupt you when you're trying to perform. There will be something in this lesson for everyone, from a new act who has never been heckled before to a skilled nightclub roast master. There will even be something for people who don't do comedy but want to learn how to reply to criticism in business, social settings, or dating. If you're one of those, stick around. People often say to me, Kieran, how can I reply to hecklers? I'm not smart enough to think of a cutting riposte. And I say to them, we can't all be quick-witted like me. But luckily in this race, slow and steady wins the day. Your funny is in here and in here. We just need to get it out. Getting your funny out. In this class, I will equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to effectively deal with hecklers and get a few laughs in the process. So what is a heckler? Well, it can be anyone who wants to ruin your time in the spotlight and bring attention to themselves. They think they're funnier than you. They're not. Because if you have been following my classes, you are the funniest person in the room. It's easy to spot who's likely to be a heckler, and identifying them early in your act can give you time to help think of potential put-downs. So some things to look out for are: they sit in the front row. They are drunk or on drugs. They can be men or women, or any gender really. They are loud, with loud voices, loud clothes. They are usually from the working classes, or trailer trash, as our American friends say. And usually fat. They are the kind of people you wouldn't be surprised to see having sex behind the bins in an alleyway after a club closes. Horrible people. One thing to keep in mind, although they may seem scary, like bullies and spiders, hecklers are in fact cowards. The problem with hecklers. So you're at a gig, you're doing a great set, thanks to this video series, don't forget to like and subscribe. People are laughing away, but then one lone voice in the darkness pipes up.
Get off the stage, you rubbish.
What do? You carry on with your set and ignore them, right? Wrong. If you ignore them, then they have won. The audience will lose respect for you and you might as well just go back to the green room and give up comedy altogether. I'll show you what you need to do to re-establish control. How to deal with hecklers. Hire a hitman on the dark web? Just joking. You destroy them. Verbally. Neutralise that threat. With humour. So heckler responses.
You're useless, mate.
And then you can say, I see someone let my dad into the club. Go on, Dad, you have Alzheimer's and slowly dying. Get off the stage, loser. Hey, I'm working here. When you're working, I don't come down to the dock and slap the penises or vaginas out of your mouth because you're a prostitute and probably have some fatal blood-borne disease.
Why don't you quit?
Oh, I see. Tonight is the first time you've tasted alcohol. Why don't you drink too much and die of alcohol poisoning? You can use these killer responses on hecklers and they are guaranteed to work every time. Remember, hecklers are a parasite, eating up your stage time and challenging your status. Don't have any sympathy for them. They are scum. Closing thoughts. Practice. Write responses to any possible heckle you can think of. Get them ready. They are your swords that will give you an advantage in the gladiatorial arena that is the stand-up comedy club. I've been Kieran Dempsey. Come on, finish the episode. Your one brain cell must get very lonely. You clearly have a fatal brain disease. I've been Kieran Dempsey. You keep being funny.